Hello everyone. If you want to earn money online using AI tools, this video is for you. Today I will show you 5 powerful AI tools that can help you start online earning even as a beginner. First is ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT for content writing, freelancing, blogging, and script writing. Many freelancers earn money by writing articles for clients using this tool. Second is Canva. With Canva you can create YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, and logos. You can sell these designs on freelancing websites. Third is Pictory AI. This tool can convert text into videos automatically. You can create YouTube videos without showing your face. Fourth is Fiverr. You can offer services like logo design, video editing, and writing using AI tools and earn dollars online. The last tool is Upwork. Many international clients hire freelancers here. If you have skills like writing, design, or marketing, you can earn good money. These were the 5 best AI tools to earn money online. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to Earn Smart Pakistani, and press the bell icon for more online earning tips.